I've never seen anything like this. Are you at least tasting my food?
Like it's the best food we've ever had. Delicious. Ooh.
So, how's the food?
Pretty darn good.
Is there anything left in the kitchen?
I'll be right back, boys. I've got to make a run to the market.
It's getting dark, guys. Let's go see if that ghost is going to make an appearance.
Huh? Like we'd love to, but we haven't had our dessert yet. Real.
Okay, but after you finish, meet us at the Puritan Village. Ben's already gone ahead.
Great. Like if the ghost gets there first, just start screaming without us. Hey!